in this encounter. Seen really too much in the way of opportunity so far. Obviously Karuru goes up, and so does the keeper Cosafa, because that was going to sneak under the crossbar if Cosafa had made any sort of mistake, which he wasn't likely to do and didn't. Now Kambindu, interestingly enough, has gone from the inside right channel to the inside left channel. They're not able to pick him up there. At the moment anyway, from Willie Stefanos. Willie Stefanos again, it's a great little ball in. Kambindu, his play's arriving there, it's got to be tucked in surely. Was that an own goal? Whichever, it is a goal, and sleepiness in defence from Zimbabwe. Kambindu will claim it, and Namibia lead by a goal to nil.
Brilliant moment.
Group B with a chance of a second goal here, no offside flag. As easy as you like. The Zimbabweans can hardly believe that they've been caught in that way. Celebrations for Cosafa. More importantly, though, Elmo Kambindu scores his second goal in the tournament.
Look for the searching ball across field. Now, was there a hand involved? The referee says there was. And he has pointed to the spot here. Turning points potentially in this match. In any case, Vitor Jr. afforded the opportunity to fire home from the spot, which he duly does. They're up and running in the competition, their first goal for Mozambique, and it's the man who makes his first star competition.
Didn't offer his team much.
Danilo swings it in, good looking goal for Danilo, and it's been headed home here. They had the 2-goal cushion. This one comes courtesy of Bonera, and